Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can add or insert a new table on your MS Access database. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to add or insert a new table on your MS Access database, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So as you can see, I have a total of 6 tables right now on my database, and I want to add another one, so I will gonna show you how I will do that. So it's actually pretty simple guys. So for the first step, I want you to go to the Create tab of your Access. And here on the Create tab, you will now be able to see the table option right here, which is used to create a new table on MS Access. So just go and click it. And then there it is guys, as simple as that. Your new table will now be created, so you can now add the elements or data that you want to put there. And by the way guys, when you created the new table, Access will automatically assign a default name for table, such as Table 1 or Table 2, just like this. So if you want to change it and assign the name of the table yourself, just click this icon at the bottom right corner. And then there it is guys, you can now set the table name that you want, so just enter whatever you like. And once you're done entering the name, just click OK. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your table name will now be changed. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.